Welcome back to MiMaSheeTV. In this video I'm going to be moisturizing my hair and then blowing it out. Stay tuned to see the end results. So I just finished washing my hair, so now I'm drying it. First thing I'm going to be using is this Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner. This thing is terrible. It's terrible. It's basically like water. So I'm just going to spray it all around my ends, just all around my hair. I really can't believe I spent $11 on water. Like, it did nothing for my hair. Now this is my holy grail product right here. My hair just loves this product. It just soaks it right in. See that? You know what that is? That's leftover deep conditioner, guys. Don't be like me. I'm a lazy natural. I just could not go back into the shower to rinse out my hair properly. Honestly, at this point, sue me. So I'm going back in with that glorified water because I thought, you know, maybe it'll work out this time. It worked good for the first section, so I'm like, okay, it'll work good for this section. Here's where I start to have an issue. When it's time to detangle the hair, I noticed that my comb kept getting caught in my hair, which doesn't really happen that often. And after a few times of trying, I was like, nope, this is not working out. I'm gonna go back to my old Mielle Organics product. This is the Mielle Organics White Peony Leave-In Conditioner. You're probably like, why didn't you just use that first? Why do you have to use the glorified water? Well, to be honest with you, this product is really good and it gets my hair, you know, nice and detangled, but I hate the smell. Now that's more like it. blow dry my hair, I'm going to be using this Revlon Salon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. This is actually my first time using this hairbrush. dryer thingy, and straight out the box is actually really lightweight. To turn it on, it has these little things that you twist at the bottom, and it says off, cool, low, and high, and you just twist that little knob to get whatever heat setting you want. Starting off with that back section, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. And then add my heat protectant. I'm starting off on low heat. I'm keeping this in real time so you guys can see how many passes I did and how long it took me to get my hair that straight. I eventually put it on high because it was taking way too long. So the Revlon brush is not bad. I just feel like it takes the same amount of time as just using a regular blow dryer and a brush. I thought this would have been quicker, but it really wasn't. But of course, it's easier to hold than a blow dryer and a brush at the same time. these are my final results. It's not as straight as it could be with like a blow dryer and a brush, but I didn't really need it to be that straight because I just needed it to be, stretched out so I could do cornrows. That's really all I needed it for, and it got the job done.